morning, students. Now this is the last part of 1.3 exercise. 1.3 total 9 sums were there. First 3 sums in the first part, next 3 sums in the second part, and these are the last 3 sums, that is 7, 8, 9 in the last part. So this is part 3 of 1.3. See question number 7 and see the diagram. It is given that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E, check now, point E is on side BC and line DE, check line DE, where is line DE? Line DE intersects the ray AB at point T. Here AB is extended down, and from D you can see again a line is extended and it meets at point T. Prove that DE multiplied by BE, the product of DE and BE will be equal to the product of CE into TE. So here see what we will do. First we will write that given that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and then you have to prove that DE multiplied by BE will be equal to CE multiplied by TE. So now what we will do, we will take two triangles, that is C. In triangle BET and triangle CED, BET and CED. So first you can see that there is vertically opposite angle, that is C. Angle BET, check angle BET and angle CED. They both are vertically opposite angles, so they are congruent to each other. Now see students, when I say parallelogram, means if I say, we know the property, AB is parallel to DE. AB will be parallel to AB will be parallel to DC. Now as we know, ABT, these points are collinear, so I can also say that AT will be parallel to DC. See what I am saying? AB is parallel to DC. This is the property of a parallelogram, that opposite sides are parallel to each other. But here you can see that ABT are collinear, so AT will also be parallel to DC. So now see what we get, that angle BTE, check, angle BTE is equal to angle CDE. They are alternate angles since AT is parallel to CD and DT is the transversal. So I got two angles, means by angle test I can say that triangle BET is similar to triangle CED. Now see, this we have proved. So we will take now corresponding sides. BE upon CE is equal to ET upon ED, that is corresponding sides are in proportion. So now when you cross multiply, see, you multiply BE into ED will be equal to CE into DT. So this is what we have to prove. Hence it is proved that DE multiplied by BE is equal to CE multiplied by ET. So now we'll move on to next sum, that is question number 8, which is very simple. See, in the given figure, segment AC and segment BC intersect each other at point P. See, they are saying that segment AC and segment BD, they intersect at point P, and it is also given that AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP, means these sides are in proportion, these sides are equal, they are giving two sides, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. So you have to prove that, see, the triangle ABP is similar to triangle DCP. So we'll start with the proof, that is in triangle ABP and triangle DCP, we know that, or you can also write CDP, we know that AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP, which is given. These two sides are given, and one you can see, when we know that when two lines intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles are formed and they are congruent to each other. So here we can see that APB will come, students. Here there is correction, APB is similar to CPD. Angle APB, B will come, APB is similar to angle CPD. So by two sides and one angle, one included angle. So that means by SAS test of similarity we can say that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP or CDP. So now see what we get next step as. The next question is question number 9. This is question number 9. The previous question we have proved This is question number 9 now. In the given figure, you can see that in triangle ABC, point D is on BC such a way that angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. In short, angle A is equal to angle D. You have to prove that CA square will be equal to CB multiplied by CD. So first we will write what is given. Angle BAC, angle ADC is equal, which is given. To prove AC or CA square is equal to CB into CD. So in proof we'll take both the triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle DAC. One angle is given, that is angle A is equal to angle D, and you can see there is a common angle, so that is angle C is equal to angle C. So by angle test of similarity, we can say that both triangles are similar. Now as we proved both triangles are similar, we get corresponding sides in proportion. So see, BC upon AC will be equal to AC upon DC. See what I am taking? BC upon AC. BC of the first triangle and again AC of second triangle will be equal to, see again, AC upon DC, first and third. See, AC of the first triangle and DC of the second triangle. So see, AC you get here 2 times. When you cross multiply, AC into AC will be AC square and BC into DC will be same, BC multiplied by DC. So hence it is proved.